We're gonna need quite a bit because we need a lot of juice because I'm pickling at least 3 whole big onions. Oops, just pull one up. All right, let's head back in. I'm Emily C. Bunrang, and today I am here to show you how to make Yucatecan pickled red onions. The first time I ever had it was when I was in the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico, and when they served any kind of meat, like cochinita pibil, it's always served with pickled red onions. And it was just so tasty and refreshing that I wanted to just always have jars of it in my fridge. This is so easy to make. All you need are 2 ingredients. Red onions. If you don't have red onions, you could also do white onions or yellow onions, and sour oranges. So traditionally in the Yucatan, they use sour oranges. If you don't have that, you can always use lime juice, lemon juice, even vinegar. That works too. The first step is to slice the onions very thinly. Now remember, you're gonna be using this as like a topping, so you want thin slices, or even chop it up. Peel the outer layer off, as thin as you can get. Your eyes might burn a bit, like mine are. Behind me, I have a kettle of boiling water because we're going to be pouring some hot water over these onions. So I'm gonna just throw the rest of these in the bowl. Now I've cut up 3 onions in total because I wanna have a lot on hand, in jars, ready to go. So now I've got boiling water. All I'm going to do is pour it all over, carefully, over the red onions. And pouring hot water on it is to get that strong onion taste out. So it's a little more mellow when you're topping it on anything you eat. And you're going to let it steep for just 10 seconds. We're not cooking the onions. I strained the onions and I put it back in the bowl. Now it's time to juice some sour oranges. I have about 10 here. I'm gonna need a lot of juice because we're not diluting it with water or anything. A trick here is just put a strainer right here so it catches all the seeds. All right, we're on the last orange, the 20th orange. We're getting close to 1 liter of sour orange juice. Getting thirsty. Now I'm going to go grab my jars to start filling them. Okay, so I brought all of my jars. I like keeping jars. I like buying products that are in glass jars so I can reuse them. So now we're going to be stuffing the jars with the onions. Pack them in. If you don't have any jars, Tupperware, glass Tupperware is fine as well. So we got 1. It looks like 3 onions, 3 big onions fit 2 big jars. These are 32 fluid ounce jars. And this might seem like a lot of juice. We're going to fill it up to the top to cover. So we have a little bit of juice left. That's okay. I'm just going to pack the onions, make sure they're fully submerged in the juice. And we're just going to cover them. Now all you have to do is just put them in the fridge and eat them whenever you want to. So there you have it, easy Yucatecan red pickled onions. I hope you enjoyed this. If you have any questions or comments, please fill out the comment section below. I'll see you guys in the next video.